Alright, so it dawned on me, and I honestly have not tried this yet, but it dawned on me that since I'm still using the, as far electrically, still using the 2015 ignition, that I should have inadvertently updated my ignition switch as far as how it operates, so that you know, most newer modern cars, you can just bump the starter and the car will continue to crank even though you're not holding the key forward. Well, this is an older car that did not extend the crank, so when you turn the key, it would turn the start off if you backed it off. So I'm gonna do a little test here. I'm gonna see what it would do. I'm pretty sure this will work though. If it'll start. Why are we not starting? Try this again. Let's see if we get extended crank here. So I'm also trying out my shifter harness here. We got tow all mode, sport mode. So that's all working correctly. That's awesome. Let's see if my brake switch is working correctly. Yep, that guy's working correctly here. Let's get you some light. console sits right in here. This is the base plate of the console that bolts down to the floor of the truck. Here's my pigtail I was working on the other day.